What is up, y'all? I'm back with another video, and today we got the SoundPEATS Space. All right, these are over-the-ear SoundPEATS Space. They in black, so we're gonna call them the SoundPEATS Space Black, right? SoundPEATS did not send these out to me, all right? So just to throw that out there. Now, funny backstory, real quick, as to how we ended up with these, right? So I don't know if you guys remember a few years back, man, we looked at the techno over the ears, and those are some of my favorite sounding over the ears that I had at that time. However, I let my daughter use them, and over time, they got pretty much messed up, right? And I had these on my list to buy, and for Father's Day, she scooped these up for me. So shouts out to my daughter for these. However, today is July 16th, so I'm a little bit late on opening these because we've been so busy with sports and stuff like that. But we're going to get to them today. Now, I already looked these up on Amazon, man. I got them sitting right here on my screen. I will throw a link in the description for you guys, man. The price on these right here is 55 bucks. All right, 55 bucks. And again, like I said, SoundPEATS did not send these out. This is not going to be some full in-depth review. We're going to unbox these joints, take a listen to them, look at them and all that stuff, man. I'm going to give you guys my thoughts on them, all right? But just some quick information about them. We're not going to take too much time on that. But they do have hybrid active noise cancellation, 40 millimeter dynamic drivers, all right? It has Bluetooth 5.3, okay? Says it has 4 mics and AI call noise reduction, 65 ms low latency. You get multi-point connection, app control, and it has AUX mode, all right? So just to throw this out here, I'm gonna scroll back up right here, just to throw, where is it at? Just to throw this out here, just so you guys can be aware. It says that you get 123 hours of playtime on these. And it also says that with a single charge, right? Like with a single charge, like a 10-minute charge, I'm sorry, you can get up to 12 hours of playtime. And then it has 61 hours in ANC mode. All right, so 123 hours on a single charge in normal mode, 61 hours in ANC, and a 10-minute charge can get you 12 hours of playtime is what it's saying right here. It does have game mode, just like some of the buds and stuff like that. These do have 40 millimeter drivers, and I think like a lot of the buds that I looked at over the past, couple of years, a year or so ago, those are 10 millimeter drivers because they're earbuds, but these are 40 millimeter drivers. So I just already know these should sound pretty good, man. But anyway, looking at this box, man, I still got it in the plastic, as you can see. Hopefully the reflection ain't bothering you guys. I'm not too sure when these came out, but I will say right up here at the top in this corner here, it says 2024 summer. So I'm assuming these came out in 2024, and I did not look up when they came out. But anyway, high-res audio. Hear your imagination on this side. Right here on the back says Space Black. Wireless headset, Bluetooth 5.3, all that stuff we saw. Maximum working distance is 10 meters. Battery capacity is 1,000 milliamp hour battery. As you can see there, this is what the buds look like right here. Well, not the buds, but the over the ears, the headphones. This is what they look like right here on this side. 40 millimeter drivers, noise cancellation, and 123 hours playtime. Everything we saw. All right, so let me get this plastic off, unbox these joints, and then we'll take a look at the hardware. All right, guys, so we got all the plastic off, but there's one thing I forgot to mention, and that is these over-the-ears do work with the SoundPEATS app. Okay, they do work with the SoundPEATS app. We're not going through that app. You guys already know. We done been through that app time and time again, so we're not doing that again. But I will say that if these do have a firmware update, I will let you guys know, because typically when you get SoundPEATS Buzz and you connect to the app, you always have some type of firmware update. So I'll let you guys know. All right, so I kind of got this thing pre-prepped so I can get this top off easy. Just want to share this little experience with you guys right here. But this is what they look like in the box right here. Let's move these all to the side. See if there's anything down here in the bottom, which it should be. We have a little box right here. And in this box, we should have a few things. Let's just go ahead. I'm messing up already. How do I open this? Do I got to rip it? I didn't want to rip it, but you know what? It might be, oh, here we go. Thought I had to rip it. So, first things first, you get a little carrying bag, which I think is pretty cool. Something on the inside, just trash, but you get a little cloth type carrying bag, whatever this is going on here, this little material. Feels pretty good, but you get that little bag right there. What else? You got your little SoundPEATS audio app right here. We already done seen the app time and time again. What else we got in here? Should be like a manual of some sort. Yep, got a user manual right there. See what I'm saying? And then right here, we have the 3.5. Now this 3.5 right here for me is gonna come in handy, all right? And the reason why it's gonna come in handy, let me move this out of the way. The reason why it's gonna come in handy is because anytime I use or if I want to use these headphones right here with my audio interface, I can just, you know, use it with this 3.5. So that's a good look right there. So I appreciate that. And then right here, we got a USB-C. Okay, so we got a USB-C. We are good to go. Now, I got a lot of these, so don't really need this one. This one's kind of short too, but, you know, it is what it is. So let's take a look at these headphones right here. So you take them out this little foam right there. And off the rip, they kind of lightweight. They don't feel overly cheap. They don't feel overly cheap, but they are very lightweight, kind of like bottom heavy down here because of the bud. Well, because of the headphones, you can see it. They're kind of bottom heavy right here, but that's kind of expected, if that even makes sense. You know what I'm saying? Really nice soft cushion right up at the top. These cups, really nice and soft, as you can see, like that. These look really nice though. Let me see. They fold up. Kind of like how the Beats do. They fold up either way. You see what I'm saying? Right here on the bottom, you got the 3.5 right there. Look like you have speakers, well, I'm sorry, microphones or whatever the case going on here. You got your ANC on this side right there. USB-C for charging. I guess this is the power button, and this right here is the volume up and down right there. Okay. So yeah, these right here looking pretty good, man. Let me toss them on my ears really quick, guys. Hold on. Let me see how they fit really quick. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, they're gonna fit really nice. I like that feel so far. But this is what they look like, guys. Got a little bit of Hear Your Imagination on that side over there. Some SoundPEATS logos and stuff on them, man. Again, don't want to waste you guys' time too much going over these, man, because they are just a typical set of over the ears. But I do like the way they look. I like the design. They don't feel cheap. They feel kind of lightweight, man. And I hope I'm saying this correctly. They feel kind of lightweight, more like around this top part, some hard plastic or whatever. But they do, like if I hold them like this, you can feel the weight right here. And I think that's that 40 millimeter drivers down here. But you can feel that weight right there. You see what I'm saying? But I don't think that ear fatigue or anything should be a problem. I'm not sure if you can even take these off and replace them. I don't think you can. At least I didn't see that on Amazon or anything like that, or when I looked them up, I didn't see that you can remove them. But if I find that out, I'll let you guys know. All right. So with that, just want to show you guys the hardware really quick. They do look really nice though. I ain't gonna lie. They look really nice. So I'm gonna listen to them for a little bit, and you guys know how we do. We're gonna come back and we're gonna chop it up. But first, I'm gonna check for the firmware update. Then I listen to them. Then we'll be back. So let me get to that. All right, guys, so it's been a few days, man, since I've opened these joints. Finally got an opportunity to get back to them. I've been really busy with softball, baseball. My son had his tryouts for 13U. He's just not going into 13U this year, so looking to do some big things, man. But anyway, I started talking about all of that and forget about these earphones, wind blowing, hoping that this GoPro and this Media Mod is doing the job. Anyway, right? These headphones, man, I like them. They're very comfortable and they sound really good. Couple things off the rip though is that I did not have an update out of the box, which is, you know, good to go. It said my software was already up to date, so I guess that's good to go. Obviously, I think these came out in 2024, so I don't think they'll be getting another update. You know what I'm saying? Second thing is that when you are dealing with the app, I thought my son was about to come out here. When you're dealing with the app, it's very basic, right? And what I mean by that is it's the same app, but for these specific headphones, not like the Buds. The Buds got a lot of different options and stuff because you got touch controls, all of that good stuff. But with these, man, all you have is noise reduction, normal, transparency, game mode, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4 different presets, like EQ presets. You got SoundPEATS Classic, that's the default. You got treble enhancement, bass boost, and bass reduction. You know what I'm saying? That's all you get, and you got adaptive, and basically that is it. So it's not a whole lot going on in the app for these, but I will say that they do sound pretty good. I will say that the SoundPEATS Buds, to me, obviously I feel like they sound better than these because, you know, they go inside your ear. But I do like these. They do sound good. These will be my over the ears for the gym, for traveling and all of that stuff. That's what these are going to be used for. They do sound good though. But another thing I noticed with these too, and this could just be me, but when you turn let me make sure I say this right. When you turn the headphones all the way up, and you turn your iPhone all the way up, then the bass sounds a little, depending on what song, because not every song does this, but certain songs, the bass sounds like it kind of, and I'm hoping this is the right way to explain this, the bass kind of spills out. I hope that's the right way that I'm saying that. I hope that makes sense. So what I did was I turned the headphones down 2 notches. So I took them all the way up to the max, and I turned them down 2 notches, boom, boom, and then I turned up my iPhone to the max, and that right there leveled everything out, and everything started to sound really good. So I will say that they sound good. I think that you will enjoy these. I think that you will like them. I think that you will not be disappointed if you pick these joints up. You will not be disappointed. And yeah, I feel like you can try these out, man, and you'll enjoy them. You'll enjoy them for the price. You can't really beat that for the price, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, they are a go. I'm gonna recommend them. I like them, and I do like all of SoundPEATS earbuds except for one set, and we're gonna talk about that. It's one set that I'm just not a huge fan of that I have, but we will at a later time bring all the buds, including these, and show you my whole SoundPEATS lineup. Again, I paid for these, well, my daughter paid for these, and they do sound good, but it's nothing to be head over heels for, right? The sound is just the sound. Like it has bass, it has highs, the treble, all that stuff is really good. It's just a average all-around set of headphones. That's kind of like to sum it up. It's not going to blow you out of the water. It's not going to be like, oh, these are just the best sounding headphones. No, it's not. They just sound very up to par. Like, you're going to wear them and you're not going to notice, like, you don't want anything more. They just kind of fit right in, like, just in the headphone space. They just fit in the headphone space. You're not gonna be disappointed. If you're on an airplane and you put these on, you good. ANC works, phone calls, all that stuff works on these, man. And again, if you're traveling, these are gonna sound good. You're walking around the airport with these on, they gonna sound good, man. They gonna sound good like every other set of headphones that's came out since, like, what, 2022. All of them sound good, you know what I'm saying? And these ain't no different. They sound good too, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, I don't want to hold y'all too long, man. I got some other stuff I got to do. Got to get ready for church in the morning, so I got to go find me something well. All of that stuff, man. But anyway, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's been your boy Jay. I'm going to get up out of here. Peace.